Hey everyone, so let's take a overview of Power BI desktop in this video. This section is known as Canvas where we make our reports, and this is a filtered section, and this is a visualizations section from which we can take different kind of visualizations, and here we can see our connected data. So here we can see our data, and this upper section is known as a ribbon where we get different sections like a home section, insert section, modeling, view, optimize, and help. So there are different sections, and this is our report view, and this is our table view, and this is our model view, and this is our dex query view, and this is tmdl view. Here we can check like which layout view, and so here is the desktop layout view, and this is mobile layout view, and from here you can add different and more pages. Okay, so this is the simple overview of the Power BI desktop. In the upcoming videos we will see the detailed explanation of all these sections.